OpenClaw is an open-source AI gateway. It runs on your machine and routes your requests to Claude, GPT, and Gemini through a single local endpoint. ClawPad is a native macOS app that has OpenClaw embedded inside. It auto-installs and auto-starts the gateway for you, so there is nothing to configure. Without ClawPad, managing OpenClaw means editing config files and running terminal commands. With ClawPad, you manage everything from the Connection Settings tab. See the gateway status in real time, restart or reconnect with one click. Choose your AI provider and model from a drop-down. ClawPad makes OpenClaw effortless. OpenClaw routes your AI requests. ClawPad makes those requests smarter. It adds cross-project context, so your AI remembers relevant work from other conversations. It adds persistent memory that survives across sessions. And it adds full-text search across every project. These features work automatically through OpenClaw, enriching every response you get. OpenClaw needs API credentials to talk to AI providers. ClawPad makes this simple. Sign in with your Claude Max or Pro subscription, and ClawPad stores the tokens securely in your local keychain. Or add API keys for OpenAI and Google. ClawPad passes these credentials to OpenClaw automatically, so every conversation uses the right authentication. OpenClaw handles one conversation at a time. ClawPad extends it to multiple channels. From the Channels tab, paste a Telegram bot token, and ClawPad deploys an AI bot through OpenClaw. Same for Discord and Slack. Every bot gets the same enriched context and memory that ClawPad adds on top of OpenClaw. ClawPad gives your OpenClaw experience a face. Choose from 9 built-in themes in the General tab. Watch the entire interface transform in real time, from deep dark modes for late-night coding to soft light themes for daytime work. OpenClaw is the AI gateway. ClawPad is the desktop app that makes it better. Better context, better memory, better search, easier management, and beautiful themes. Download ClawPad free at clawpad.ai. OpenClaw comes included and ready to go.